Today was extremely hot out there. Now taking a look with our cameras off to the west, we can see there are still a few lingering clouds. Those are going to dissipate throughout the night, leaving behind plenty of clear sky for us. Now those high temperatures for today, 10 degrees above what we saw yesterday. St. Joseph, in fact, reaching a high of 96 degrees, 90s throughout the majority of the rest of the state of Missouri. And then off to the west over in Kansas, we have some low to mid triple digits out there. Now, guys, I wish I could say that things were going to get cooler for the week, but it looks like it's just going to be warming up. I'll have more on this later on in the broadcast. Now, Sophia, back to you at the news desk. Welcome back. We're going to start you off with a look at your almanac. Normally this time of the year, we're sitting with high temperatures into some upper 80s and waking up to some upper 60s. Record high temperature, though, not only into triple digits, but 106 degrees. Thankfully today, though, we were able to avoid that temperature by 10 degrees, but we were also 10 degrees above where we normally are, reaching a high temperature in St. Joseph of 96 degrees, but waking up a little below average at 63 degrees. Right now outside we have a mostly clear sky, a few clouds that are going to continue to dissipate throughout the night. 76 degrees is our current temperature, with those winds staying very light out of the northwest at only 3 miles per hour. Temperatures across the state, for the most part, we're seeing some upper 70s and low 80s, 80 degrees, one of the warmer spots over in Jefferson City, 82 in St. Louis, and then we have some mid 80s as we work our way over on into the state of Kansas. Right now, that satellite and radar composite is showing very clear sky throughout the Midwest, which is going to be a trend that we see continue as we work our way on into the work week, as we have this system of high pressure circling in a clockwise motion, bringing in some more southerly breezes and keeping that sky very clear for us. Now, as we look ahead, we have a cold front trying to sneak its way across the north. It has a chance to dip on into Iowa, which could be just enough to push down some clouds for us later in the week. Now, tomorrow, the main story that we've been looking at is that jet stream pushing all the way up into the borders of Canada, which means we're going to be seeing more blazing hot temperatures over into the state of Kansas, and some showers just off to our south is going to be enough to fuel in some of that hot humidity, making it extra hot out there. Temperatures that we're talking about for the next week are some upper 90s and heat indexes, making it feel like triple digits out there for most of us. Overnight, though, we're going to be seeing temperatures right around average, around that 70-degree mark, mostly clear sky and light winds. That clear sky is going to stick with us tomorrow, but it's going to make for another hot one out there. 97 degrees for your high temperature, and those upper 90s are going to be a trend that continues on with us throughout the work week. In fact, we're going to be seeing plenty of sunshine throughout the first half of the work week, making it feel like those heat indices are reaching into triple digits. But then as we work our way into the second half of the work week, we're going to see a bit of relief, so maybe some mid-90s as we have some clouds dip into the area thanks to that cold front cutting across Iowa.
That looks very promising. Tuesday, however, I like the
yeah, Tuesday
blazing
it's
hot.
going to be very warm out there, so make sure that AC is up and going.
Definitely.
We have another hot week ahead, so make sure to be drinking plenty of water out there.
And have a great tomorrow.